Hey nail girlies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved that Valentine's Day love letter inspired nail look. All of the supplies that I used in today's video will be linked down below. My nails have already been prepped and primed, so now I'm going in with my base colors, which is white on every other finger, followed by the deep pink. When I first started doing nails, as much as I loved a white nail set, I was fearful of them because you have to apply white correctly. Your polish application can be the difference between your nails looking nice and white to looking like you paint your nails with whiteout solution. So if you can, with any gel polish, make sure you clean up around the cuticles, making sure it looks nice and neat. Just a little FYI, I did use a gel color versus a gel polish, and one thing that I noticed with using the gel color is they can get pretty thick. They're a thicker consistency than the polish, so I mixed the base color in order to apply it the way I'm used to. So that is an awesome hack that if you have like a thicker gel polish or even a thicker gel color, you can mix it with base or top coat and it'll get you right. Now that all of my base colors are applied, I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds. And now it's time for nail art. I'm going to begin with the notebook inspired nail design, which is just some light blue horizontal lines going across the nail. I don't know if I told you all, but I did announce to my Instagram that my goal from now on is to post at least one video a week for YouTube because I genuinely enjoy making nail content. I don't like voiceovers because I never know what to say, so I just decided it's all a part of the process. So we're gonna do what we gotta do in order to get to where we gotta go. Now I'm going to add my red line for my notebook paper. Once I am satisfied with how that looks, I'm going to begin writing on the notebook paper. So I'm really curious to know, are you a college rule notebook girly or are you a wide rule notebook girly? For me personally, I loved the smaller lines, so college rule was my preferred notebook paper. Adding the final details to the notebook nail art, and now I'm moving on to drawing the envelope. I felt like it was missing something, so I decided to add this cute little heart nail charm. Now that I'm satisfied, I'm going to apply top coat. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more nail content. I post nail attempts, nail ideas, and DIY tutorials perfect for nail girlies like you.